Getting your car's value right is crucial. Price too low and you lose money, too high and it won't sell. The good news: a few simple steps can give you an accurate figure. Start with online valuation tools like What Car or Auto Trader to get ballpark, private, part exchange, and dealer values. Then compare with real-world listings to see what similar cars are actually advertised for. Factor in condition and mileage honestly. Dents, scuffs, and gaps in service history all reduce value. Timing matters too. Convertibles sell better in summer, 4x4s in winter, and plate change months, March, September, often see price shifts. If you're still unsure, get a professional valuation. Just expect dealers to quote on the lower side. And don't forget, if the car's on finance, request a settlement figure before selling. You can't legally pass it on until the balance is cleared. Bottom line: combine tools, market research, and a reality check on condition, and you'll know your car's true worth and sell with confidence.